Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with another awesome prize. It's a 1976 Yamaha XT500, and you can win this one on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $3.99, and the draw will take place on the 12th of January at 9 p.m. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how to start the bike in case you do win it. What we need to do is turn the ignition key on first, which is just there. Make sure it's on run on the handlebars on the right. We need our choke on a bit. We have started it. It's very cold today, so it will still need a bit of choke. And then just make sure your fuel tap's on, which is on the left here. So I'll quickly go now. What we need to do, we need to find the little white spot on this window here, which is just on top of the cylinder head. We find the spot by pulling in the decompression lever on the left-hand side of the handlebars. And we just kick it over slowly until we see that metal kind of white spot appear, which is just there. And then you just give it a good kick and catch it on the throttle as well.
So we'll leave the choke on a bit to warm it up. I'll tell you a few good things about this bike. It's just got over 10,000 miles of loop. We rebuilt the top end recently with a Wossner piston. Got a rehome and reboard. And it all looks in really nice condition, which is quite unusual for an off-road classic motorcycle.
So that's the choke off, but it is still quite cold, so we'll need running up a bit longer before it ticks over off the choke. Yeah, so I think we covered most things on this one. Like I said, if you fancy a ticket, $3.99. You go to the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. And good luck if you enter, and thank you.